Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 ways to get the file or folder path on your Mac. Method number 1. We will use the Finder path bar. If you don't see the path bar at the bottom of your Finder window, go to View, then select Show Path Bar. Now, wherever you are, you can easily get the path by right-clicking the folder icon in the path bar itself, then selecting Copy as Path Name. For example, if you want the path for the data folder, just right-click it here and copy. Method number 2 is using the Get Info function. First, right-click on any folder, then select Get Info. In the Get Info window, look for the section labeled Where. This shows the folder path. Simply right-click on this path text and select Copy as Path Name. That's another easy way to get it. Method number 3. Right-click on your folder like usual, but once the menu pops up, hold down the Option key. You will see the menu options change. Scroll down and click Copy as Path Name to grab the link. Method number 4 involves the terminal. Simply drag your folder or file directly into the terminal window, and the full path will appear instantly. This is a great trick so you don't have to type the path manually every time you work with command lines. So, I've shared some simple ways to get file paths on macOS. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to Easy Tech Steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.